Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about logarithm properties, and this is my second video on logarithms. I'll start with the equality property, which states that if you are given the equation log base b of m equals log base b of n, and from that equation you can see that the base is the same. So in that case, both m and n are equal. Now let's try it with our example written in blue. Log 3x minus 2 equals log x plus 4. So since the base here are the same, the equation is also similar to 3x minus 2 equals x plus 4. So we just play around with the equation to determine the value of x. Alright, so that's how we apply the equality property. Now let's have another logarithm property, the product property, which states that if you are given log base b of m times n, it is equal to log base b of m plus log base b of n. And to apply, let's have the example written in blue. Log base 6 of 24 plus log base 6 of 9 equals x. Since the base on the left hand side is the same, you can multiply 24 and 9. It will be like this following the product property. And 24 times 9, that's 216. And 216 is actually 6 raised to the third power. Let's convert this into its exponential form. And with that, we can tell that our x is 3. Alright, so that's how we apply the second property, the product property. Now let's have the third property, the quotient property, which states that if you are given log base b of m over n, it is equal to log base b of m minus log base b of n. To apply, let's have the example written in blue. Log base 3 of 81 minus log base 3 of 3 equals x. Since the base of the left hand side is the same, you can divide 81 by 3. So it will be like this, log base 3 81 over 3 equals x following the quotient property. And 81 divided by 3, that's 27. And 27 is actually 3 raised to the third power. We convert this into its exponential form. 3 raised to x equals 3 raised to 3. So x is 3. Alright, so that's the quotient property. And for the last, we have the power property, which states that if you are given log base b of m raised to p, it is equal to p times log base b of m. So if you are given log base 3 of x raised to 4, this is the same with 4 times log base 3 of x. And if you are given log 5 raised to 6, this is the same with 6 times log of 5. And that completes this video about logarithm properties.